Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a really pretty sock bun. So here we go, and let's continue on the look. So first step is we are going to put it in a high ponytail, and this is how we're going to start it. Now I'm going to put my bun in and put it over my ponytail. Spread your hair all over the bun. Tuck your hair underneath the bun and secure it with an elastic. Next step is, all you want to do is take a headband, and that's the finished look. See how easy it is to make a easy, quick hairdo in about a minute? I hope you guys like this, and comment down below if you want any challenges, singing, because I can sing, piano, makeup, anything. I'll do it just for you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!